Takot ka ba mag-fail? Natural yon. Takot ka mag-fail. Ako din, takot ako mag-fail. Ayaw ko mag-fail. It could be something positive. Pwedeng gamitin mo yung fear mo para mag-aral ka mabuti, mag-prepare ka, i-discipline mo yung sarili mo para na sa ganon, ma-minimize mo yung risk of failure. Positive siya. So, pwede rin siyang negative. Yung fear of failure mo, pwede maging sanhi nung hindi mo na pagkilos. Kahit na nag-aral ka ng nag-aral, at ang dami mo ng alam, ayaw mo pa rin mag-decide na kumilos. Pwedeng gano'n. So, alamin mo kung yung fear mo is actually making you passive or your fear mo nagiging positive, nagpe-prepare ka at nag-a-act ka after preparation. So, you have to use that fear positively. Study more, prepare more, discipline yourself, and then act on what you want. So, analyzein mo. Yung bang fear of failure mo makes you passive, makes you inactive, makes you just retreat. Or your fear of failure ba is making you study more and prepare more and act. And by doing that, you minimize failure. So, i-decide mo kung saan ka dun.